Hi students, good afternoon. Okay, so we started with third module in the previous class. Am I audible? Yeah. So I started with third module in the previous class. Third module, as I said, it is a pretty small one, and there is about industry analysis and everything, and the related to research, market research. You have to do a research in the using questionnaire design or whatever, or different kinds of research. Okay, using interview method, or it will be a face to face, or a structured or a questionnaire method, or it will be a focus group, or any kind of those research you need to do. Gather primary data, do a research on internet and library and other sources, gather secondary data, and then analyze that data, and depending upon that data you need to prepare a marketing plan or a marketing process. Okay, that is there in this module. And along with this, there are forms of business organization. When you are planning to start business, then there are different forms. You can start a sole proprietorship, where only you are the person who is handling the business and the remaining are your workers. You are the sole owner of that proprietorship which you have. Or else you will have a partnership where two or more partners will be there along with you as the part owners of that, and you will be sharing the profits and the losses and the capital. Then there is a limited liability partnership, joint companies and cooperatives. Okay. Then limited liability partnership will be a combination of partnership and joint stock company. Joint stock company is your normal company. Okay, it can be a private company, it can be a public company. Then there are cooperatives. This is there in the third module. Actually, the subject which is there, or the syllabus which is designed, is a kind of a funnel, okay, like, or an inverted pyramid. So first module gave you the background of what is entrepreneurship, creativity, and innovation. Second module gave you an idea about how to start preparing the report, business model क्या है, model canvas कैसा है, how to prepare a business plan, how to prepare a report. Okay, then in this third module, when you have prepared the report, then before starting your business, you need to do a research by going in the market for your new venture. What will be your product's acceptance in the market? Before you launch your product, you need to do a market survey, market research, and before that, you will come to know what are the requirements of the public, and how well you can position your product in the market. Okay, so in the previous class we discussed about how T was there. Okay, this was very kind of a different, where it is not there in your syllabus, because in your syllabus you are focusing more on the customers, what they need. Okay, and as and when we see around us, the businesses which are there, what the customer needs, that we are finding out. We are more focusing on the customers. As and when I have actually gave you a kind of a history in the previous module in the beginning, that how the communication was developed. Okay, newspapers and radios were there. At that time, customer didn't know what they require. Okay, so as and when the technology was improving, new products were coming into the market, like telephones and then mobile phones. The customer only had the vision that whatever product is coming, it should be easy for me to use it, good for me, faster products are there. Okay, so when I was using mobile phones, I didn't imagine a technology will come wherein I can view YouTube videos without any buffering on my mobile phones. Okay, but I wanted that, but I did not said it exactly कि हाँ मोबाइल पे YouTube videos देख सकने चाहिए, ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी आना चाहिए करके. So then during that time 2G was there or 2.5G was there, so that we could only share photos on WhatsApp. Okay, and that too it required time to load. Okay. So customer many a times don't know what they require. So this was an example of tea which I gave last time, how tea became the product of India. The purpose of this example or this story was how a product which is not at all required by the public, how it can be made and advertised in such a way that the public starts using it as if it is their own product. Okay, how this was slowly incorporated into Indian society. That was a kind of a short story which I explained. And well, there are many such products. Okay, just like tea, and if I go with coffee, so there is a story behind it. Soap, there is a story behind it. Same goes for a short story of hand wash also. Okay, soaps were continuously used by many people to wash their hands, so they were getting dirty. So hand wash were invented so that every drop of hand wash, पता नहीं शायद डेटॉल का ऐड है ऐसा कुछ, हर बूंद अनछुई है ऐसा कुछ, untouched drop of a soap. ठीक है, that is a kind of a hand wash. Okay, then it starts using, what do you say? It starts becoming easy for customers to use. Okay. So ये मॉड्यूल में क्या है? This module is maybe a 3 or 4 class module. ठीक है, that's it. ये मॉड्यूल में क्या है? First of all, before starting a business, we need to identify ये business हम लोग का कौन से इंडस्ट्री में फॉल करता है. Okay, whether it is related to auto ancillary, whether you are starting a business of helmets. Okay, then it will be auto ancillary accessories. जो दूसरा है bikes. Bike is the one product, and helmet comes with it. Okay, it is a kind of a complementary product which studied in economics. So complementary product है. If as per the economics, if I tell, if the sales of bike increases, the sales of helmet also increases. The sales of bike decreases, the sales of helmet also decreases. Complementary products. Okay, like tea and sugar, like that. So if you are launching a kind of a business where of helmet, then you are into auto accessories. So that is the industry which you are into. Okay, if you are launching any food related any item, then you are into food industry, hospitality industry, or anything. Or there are many small industries also which are segregated from the food as well. Okay, well, food processing industry. तुमको रहता है ना बिग बाजार में ऑलरेडी कट वेजिटेबल्स, ऑलरेडी कट प्रोसेस्ड फूड मिल जाता है उधर. ओके, रेडी टू कुक काइंड ऑफ फूड भी मिल जाता है. सो इन विच इंडस्ट्री तुम लोग का बिजनेस है, फर्स्ट उसका एनालिसिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, नॉलेज ऑफ दैट, एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉल डायग्राम. ओके, वेयरइन यू विल गेट एन इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस. इसमें कैसा है, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज general environmental and demographic trends. That means from the top, this represents the top-down approach of a pyramid or a triangle. Okay, the more information is there at the top, where you will be collecting information about the environment, about the society, about the demographics, about the age and everything of the people who are staying, the spending habits और ये सब collect करेंगे. Then if ये फूड का है तो नेशनल फूड इंडस्ट्री ट्रेंड्स, इंडस्ट्री कैसा है फूड का, दैट यू विल स्टडी. देन यू विल कम टू लोकल एनवायरनमेंट, ओके, एंड स्टडी दैट. ठीक है, देन लोकल फूड इंडस्ट्री एंड स्टडी दैट. ये कैसा है, यू आर ओपनिंग अप फूड पैकेज्ड फूड company, then you are analyzing the entire India's need for the packaged food. Then you are coming for the packaged food industry का analysis. Then you are coming to specific region, ठीक है, like Belgaum region, Karnataka region, or maybe Mumbai region. Okay, that region, and then you are studying the local environment and the demographics of that environment. Then you are coming below that, and then you are analyzing the local food industry कैसा है. तो दोनों में either demographic and industry, demographic of a country, industry of a country, then local environment and demographic, local, then local food industry. Then you check for the मेजरली लोकल कंपटीशन, ये वाला चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। सो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, यू आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एन इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस, ये इंडस्ट्री में हु आर दी कॉम्पिटिटर्स, हु आर आवर कॉम्पिटिटर्स, व्हाट इज देयर स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट इज देयर वीकनेसेस, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट, सो वी कैन कैपिटलाइज ऑन देयर वीकनेसेस। ये उसका वीकनेस ये है, तो आई कैन कैपिटलाइज एंड आई कैन use their weakness to start or to pump up my sales or to do that. तो competitor analysis एक और है इसमें, what competitor analysis, first of all I'll list down the competitors. Okay, if I'm launching an again an electric vehicle, or an electric vehicle, then who are the competitors of me? Okay, who are my competitors? Then I'll analyze that. Or already existing business hai, or then I'm entering into that similar kind of a business with some certain changes in my product. Then who are my competitors? Mobile phone companies hai. Okay, when OnePlus were launching in India, OnePlus was analyzing who are the competitors. Samsung is the great competitor. Apple hai, then Nokia was also there at that time. ये सब MI was there, तो ये सब मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं। ओके, लावा है और ये वीवो, ओप्पो। सो फॉर ऑल दीज कॉम्पिटिटर्स आई विल प्रिपेयर अ चार्ट, ठीक है। फर्स्ट कॉम्पिटिटर है, व्हाट इज द कॉम्पिटिटर्स प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस स्ट्रेटेजी, उसका क्या स्ट्रेटेजी, ये वाले बंदे का कॉम्पिटिटर ए का स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है प्रोडक्ट का, कॉम्पिटिटर बी का व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटेजी, सी का व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटेजी, ठीक है। देन प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटेजीज ऑफ ऑल द थ्री कॉम्पिटिटर्स, distribution strategies of all the three competitors, promotion strategies of all the three competitors. I'll do this kind of analysis using this table कि मेरे competitors how they stand in the market with related to product, with related to pricing, distribution and promotion. Okay, so a kind of a marketing, finance, operations, everything I'm doing here. Okay, finance related to pricing, operations related to distribution and marketing, जो promotion आ गया, तो I am doing an analysis of my competitor, ठीक है। Then after this I'll find out strengths and weaknesses, इसका क्या strength है, इसका क्या weaknesses है, ठीक है। So this is a competitor analysis before I start with the research. So competitor analysis can be a collection of secondary data. कुछ नहीं, गूगल में जाएंगे, you will just type the name of the company, you will come to know what are their products, what are their strategies. If you go on YouTube, and you will find many videos how they do a business, what is their strategies, ठीक है। At least publicly available information you can easily get of the competitors कि क्या करते हैं वो लोग, कैसे करते हैं, what is their pricing strategy, ठीक है। as in whatever you get as a public information. Then promotion strategies, ये जो भी available है इंटरनेट में, लाइब्रेरीज में, you can go on their website, in their annual report, in the news. Okay, whichever data is available, you will just collect it of your competitors and then analyze how they do the business. वो लोग कैसे करते हैं business. Okay, then you will get an idea how you can do a business, how you can improve it. ठीक है, the main three things of idea generation in the first module which we studied. कि someone is doing a business and you are going, एक coffee shop है, and you are going to that coffee shop and you are drinking the coffee, then after drinking you feel कि अरे मैं तो इससे अच्छा बना सकता हूँ, I can make coffee better than this. Okay, so what is the flavor of their coffee, what they have added, you just analyze by drinking their coffee and different kind of flavors. Then you can develop your own coffee looking similar to that, or maybe better than that. So you will get an idea when you study others. So when you analyze the competitors or the other people, then you come to know what best you can do, ठीक है। तो ये competitor analysis एक first step है. Then after identifying strengths and weaknesses, you can do a market positioning strategy. You can develop actually a market positioning strategy. कि अभी ये you need to find a gap, ठीक है। गैप किधर है कि सब लोग ये प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, ये भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, ये भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, यू विल फाइंड अ गैप कि हाँ ये कोई प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा है। जैसे ओला ने, ऊबर ने एक्चुअली डिस्कवर किया था there is a gap that we cannot order easily our product, our taxi on phone. Okay, and many such situations were added. Many such attributes और बहुत सारे चीज बहुत सारा कुछ ऐड किया उसमें. Then you can pay it online. You can book a ride along with a fellow other passenger who can share a ride. तो ऐसा बहुत सारा ऐड किया था. But they found a vacuum. ठीक है, they found a place where the business can start. तो एक basically a gap find out करना कंप्यूटर के एनालिसिस के बाद. So you can position your market कि हाँ ये किसी के पास available है. We are giving that. In Rocket Singh movie, the person who starts the Rocket Singh Corporation, he finds a gap that the people are not getting good service after they buy the computers, because the company thinks that the computer are of good quality, of a good company, so they'll not have any issues. Or the company is feeling that it is generally technically a cost factor is involved when we are giving services, and our service person is going to the to their place and doing a service. So ये सब cost खर्चा बहुत हो रहा है इसमें. Okay, cost is involved. So they are not focusing on customer servicing. So this was a gap which the Rocket Sales Corporation found out, and they capitalized, or they focused more on giving customers better services. Okay, so that's how they positioned themselves in the market कि हम लोग better service provider after you buy a computer. Okay, so that was there in the movie. So similarly, you need to find a gap, then you can position yourself better in the market. ठीक है, इसमें दो चीज़ हैं. If you can develop your product in such a way that none of the product is available in the market similar to this, अगर ऐसा कोई product नहीं है, then it will be a kind of a blue ocean strategy you are using. In marketing, you might have studied blue ocean strategy, कि कुछ नया ही लेके आते हैं. Something innovative you will bring into the market. कि हाँ ये तो है ही नहीं किसी के पास में. Okay, when Netflix bought streaming services into the market, they were almost none of the major businesses had that. In Netflix, जब streaming services लेके आया था market में, there was no competitor for them. It was a blue ocean strategy. When Flipkart was launched into India for delivering products online on cash on delivery scheme, none of the competitors were there as big as that. So they created a blue ocean. Then many people enter into that ocean, fight on pricing, customer service, fight on everything. What do you say? The idea is same of all the competitors. Now they are fighting on pricing, on customer service, on product modifications, specifications. इसके बारे में fight कर रहे हैं ना, then that becomes a red ocean. ठीक है, when they fight, the blood is spilled, and the blue ocean becomes a red ocean. Then that is a red ocean strategy when already existing business is there and you are entering it into that. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया कंप्यूटर एनालिसिस. अच्छा, कुछ पूछना है यहाँ तक? ठीक है, मार्केटिंग रिसर्च फॉर न्यू वेंचर. दिस इज व्हाट you may not be able to do it. ठीक है, बट मार्केटिंग रिसर्च क्या होता है? ठीक है, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट इटसेल्फ. ओके, इन दिस, ठीक है, in this you are going to you might not see this. It is gathering of data to determine such information as to who will buy the product. ठीक है, to do a research, ठीक है, in research methodology you will have many kind of research to find out whether my product is doing good or not, whether this movie is doing good or not, whether it is a flop movie, अच्छा movie है, flop movie है, ये find out करना है after the movie is released. Okay, so after something is happened or happening, we are doing a research whether this product is doing good, whether this service is doing good, whether the anything has been launched and it is doing good or not. Okay, that is after we launch it. Okay, so that when we are doing a research, if it is not doing good, why it is not doing good, what is the response of the public, क्यों नहीं खरीद रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो आफ्टर ये हो रहा है, इसमें है ना, यू इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ रिसर्च, यू आर डूइंग अ रिसर्च बिफोर you launch anything, before you do anything. Okay, so you are trying to find out what is the size of the potential market. कितने लोग हैं who will buy my product, who will come to my hotel, who will require my service. Okay, how many people are there first of all, then at what price should be charged from them, what should be the price of my service, what should be the price of my product, क्या price लेना है उनसे, ठीक है, so that they will accept my product easily. Most appropriate distribution channel, how will I deliver them the product or deliver them the service, okay, कैसे, whether they will come to me or I will go to them, or they will be a third party where I'll be selling. Then what is the most effective promotion strategy to inform and reach potential customers? If it is a new kind of a product, you need to educate the customers. Just for example, in tea, the story of tea was very new to the Indian society. So the common public didn't know how to prepare tea. चाय बनाते कैसे किसी को पता ही नहीं. So what they did a street plays. At that time there was no social media, so or nor in newspaper you could put how to prepare a tea, the recipe of it. So the most attractive thing during those time, street plays करते थे. So street play में you will set up, bring the actors, set up that thing, and you will prepare a tea over there by doing some acting, and then you will educate people how to prepare tea. Then you will advertise or give it to them some sample for free, and you will put your small outlet near railway station where all the people come while traveling, or bus stand, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे you can see, public can see what is the product about, ठीक है, how to taste the product. तो ऐसे करके you can first of all educate people if it is a new product. If it is a existing product, how you will do a promotion strategy. What promotion strategy Jio used? Jio didn't use any of the celebrities to endorse their products. There was no brand ambassador of Jio. Okay, Jio's promotion strategy was to give the SIM cards for free of cost. Okay, and use service also for free of cost for few months. Initially it was 3 months, then 6 months. It increased. Then they started charging them. The promotion strategy of Jio was to give the service for 3 or 6 months free of cost. So the cost which Jio incurred by giving free, that compensated by not endorsing any celebrity. Celebrity को बुलाते तो उसको पैसा देना पड़ता था for endorsing, for brand, for advertisements. So it was a promotion strategy, was kind of word of mouth for Jio. So what will be a promotion strategy? ये सब decide करेंगे marketing research में. Okay, what is the size of the market? कितने customers हैं? What price we should keep? What should be the proper distribution channel? Okay, and when Flipkart was launched, distribution channel was a person from Flipkart was coming and delivering you. Still it is there, but along with that, few stores were also opened in Bangalore, I guess. In Bangalore, Mumbai में एक store था. Few stores were open of Flipkart. So when people who are going to offices and they cannot order the products at their home, nor there was allowance in the office area to go and take their products. So Flipkart had opened stores so that the customers can come in and take their products. वो store में से जाके ऐसे भी कुछ किया था. तो a kind of a modification in their distribution channel. ठीक है. Same goes for promotion strategies. So in market research, you need to address 4 things. You need to include 4 things. First, defining the purpose or objective. कि objective क्या है, exactly क्या find out करना है मेरे को using my research. ठीक है. Then gathering secondary data. First thing is you gather secondary data. Okay, because secondary data is very easily available and you can get it very fast. Secondary data is all available on the internet. Google करना है, Yahoo करना है, Google ही करेंगे. Google करके you will find out whatever information you want to extract of a company, of your competitor, of the industry, of the society, of the country, of the economic status of the people. Then there are many websites. There's MCA web. MCA है Ministry of Corporate Affairs, you will get data. MCA.in है Ministry of Corporate Affairs है. Then if you want to do anything, then RBI की websites है. Then बहुत सारे ऐसे websites है. CSO है, Central Statistical Organization. You will get statistics of almost everything which is there in India. CSO visit करोगे तो how many people are there in which state, what is their income standard of living क्या है, ये क्या है, GDP per capita क्या है, what is wholesale price index क्या है, WPI consumer price index क्या है, many such things you will get in CSO. So you can easily gather secondary data. Okay, gathering data from secondary sources is what is called as secondary data. You might have studied in research. Okay, secondary data क्या है? Okay, which is already available on the internet. Then you go for primary data. Okay, secondary data will help you to gather data up to a certain level, up to a certain point. इसके बाद अगर data तुमको actual चाहिए, then you go on with the primary data collection. That is the part of your research while going in the field and asking questions. The questions can be, you can frame a questionnaire and you can go, it can be fixed question like a closed-ended question we call in research, that you will give a question, you will give some options. The yes or no options will be there, or rating scale will be there. Out of 10 you select some. So a structured questionnaire, or it's open-ended question we call. We just give a question and we tell them to write or ask them, and whatever they tell, we can record it or we can write it on own. ठीक है, तो ये सब प्राइमरी सोर्सेस का डेटा कलेक्शन मेथड विच वी कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट. ओके, एंड देन द फाइनल थिंग इज एनालाइजिंग एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स. वो सब डेटा का मीनिंग वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, इतना सारा डेटा कलेक्ट किया, वी हैड आस्क्ड 5,000 पीपल को वी आस्क्ड, ठीक है, यूजिंग आवर क्वेश्चनर. सो वी हैव कलेक्टेड डेटा बट वी नीड टू मेक अ मीनिंग आउट ऑफ इट. सो वी यूज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. ठीक है, using statistics we analyze किसका क्या correlation कितना है इसका, what is the response of it. ठीक है, how many people said yes or no or maybe whatever. Yeah, how many people like this. So we can, जैसे कि if you want to set up a small, जैसे कॉलेज में अगर कुछ कर रहे हैं, there is an event and you are setting up a small stall wherein you are going to put some food products and some games and everything, okay, in that stall, and then you are going on a research in your college campus asking engineering students that which kind of, that will be definitely a closed-ended question, closed-ended, and maybe options wala question rahega, okay, which kind of food which kind of snack do you like. You will give 2 or 3 options. So on basis on their responses you will keep your product. Which kind of small games you require, you get dart या फिर ऐसा glass का कुछ ऐसा option दे देंगे, and they will select, and you will keep the products or keep the games according to that answers, the responses. So when you are analyzing कि ये सब है, इतने लोगों ने हाँ बोला, इसके लिए नहीं, no one is interested in this, ये सब, then you are going to interpret. Interpret means you need to make meaning out of it. Analysis to किया, okay, these many 100 students said okay, they like this product, 50 students said they like this product, the remaining 10% said they like third product. So first product का 100 है, second product का 50 है, third product का 10 students है. So this is the analysis. What interpretation you will do? So why this product 100 लोगों ने like किया है? Okay, so why, answering why will be your interpreting. Okay, based on your calculation, your assumption, your knowledge, you are answering why that 100 has come for product 1, why that 50 has come for product 2, why 10 has come for product 3. Okay, then we can keep that product 1 itself in our stall. Okay, but analyzing means you're just making meaning out of whatever data you have on the, suppose graph bana hai, so what that graph says, that is your analysis, and why that graph says like that, that is your interpretation. ठीक है, ये सब एक्सप्लेन, ये सब I'll still do, but this was there in some another subject as well, in analysis. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वन I'll do and we'll stop for the day. ठीक है, इसमें है defining the purpose or objectives. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है रिसर्च कंडक्ट करने का? हाउ मच पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स विल बी विलिंग टू पे फॉर आवर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस. ठीक है, हाउ मेनी पीपल आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट, आई नीड टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. So my objective can be related to this, to find out the potential customers who will pay to my product. That will be my objective. So I'm answering these questions. Where would the potential customer prefer to purchase the product or service? Okay, whether they will come to our shop, whether we need to deliver the products, okay, or we'll give it to third party to deliver, or how is it? Okay, how will be the distribution system we need to develop. Then where would the customer expect to hear about or learn about such product or service? Okay, so if I want to give one example, one such business plan during my MBA was we had designed to start a business of paintings. Okay, we will not sell the paintings, we will rent the paintings for few months, days, or 1 day or 2 day, like that. Along with paintings, we will also include some decorative articles, okay, in our business. So if there is a function in a house for maybe a 10 days, a wedding is there 10 days or something like that, so that house will only require the decorative articles and other paintings and all those stuffs only for those limited time, 10 months के लिए या 5 days के लिए, 10 days के लिए, 5 days के लिए, इतना ही चाहिए. So we'll give them all the decorative articles, whatever they will select, only for that period of time. Or we could go to offices and then tell, okay, we can rent you paintings. You don't need to buy costly paintings. You can just select it, and which is what do you say, which is suiting your office or suiting your restaurants. Okay, you can select paintings. We could give you for rent for maybe for 1 or 2 or 3 years. So 2-3 साल तक रेंट ही करना है उसको, and it will be a nominal rent for us, and it will be good for him, for that restaurateur, because 2 or 3 years में if he does renovation and after renovation that painting is not matching with the colors and everything, then he can return us the painting and he can take another painting. So that was thing. So when I was answering first question, how much potential customers will be there to buy the products or services? There will be plenty of them. Okay, offices which are there and nearby, hotels, restaurants, small restaurants, because big hotels will have their own architect and they will not entertain us. So that was our assumption. So we'll target few restaurants, small offices, and try to big houses where there might be a potential function or something like that. So how many people are there? That we were analyzing. Then what should be the prefer to purchase the product or service? So in our case, it was not a purchase; it was a rent. So कितना रखना चाहिए rent? Okay, how much should be the rent so that the person is very easily agree to us. Okay, easily agree हो जाएगा कि हाँ ये product ये चाहिए मेरे को, वो चाहिए करके. Okay, easily they'll agree to rent our paintings or decorative articles or anything of sort. Then where would the customer expect to hear about or learn about such a product or service? ठीक है, how we will do that? This is totally about marketing. तो ये marketing कैसे करेंगे अपना product? कहाँ से उसको पता चलेगा कि we exist? Okay, how they will come to know, whether it will be a word of mouth or social media, or सिर्फ social media पे ही, या फिर वहाँ पे भी कैसे, social media पे भी कैसे, और newspaper में कुछ दे रहे हैं या फिर brochures है, newspaper insertion है, how they will come to know. Okay, or whether we will tie up with certain architects who are there. Okay, ऐसे करके कुछ, तो we'll find out the answers for these questions. ठीक है, well, that's it for today. But before leaving, ठीक है, ये वाला था, ये प्रिपेयर नहीं किया अभी. Before leaving, I just wanted to show you one, but I didn't get my business plan. I got some different दूसरी टीम का बिजनेस प्लान मिला था. Okay. ठीक है. As I've told you, you need each one of you need to prepare. ठीक है. You need to find out a business idea. Okay, एक creative भी हो सकता है. Any USP, different USP should be there of yours. Okay, it can be a existing product in the market. Okay, existing service in the market, but there should be your touch into that. How different you are going to do so that people should get attracted to your product or service. एक नॉर्मल बिजनेस, दिस इज नॉट द गुड वन. ठीक है, बट अभी फिलहाल के लिए यही मिला मेरे को. आई डेंट गॉट द रेंट रेनोवार का नहीं. आई डेंट गॉट रेंट ऑफ पेंटिंग्स का. So this is a kind of a business plan, okay, which was developed, wherein the team which was presenting it, they were going to deliver milk, okay, but the USP of them was they are not going to deliver milk in packets. Packet में deliver नहीं कर रहे. They were planning to deliver milk in glass bottles. So every day the person will come and keep the glass bottle in front of their door, and the next day the old glass bottle will be kept outside by the people residing in the home, and the new glass bottle will be placed by the person who is coming, and the old glass bottle will be taken by that person. So it will be an exchange of glass bottles. So भरा हुआ दूध का bottle I'll give, and I'll collect the empty empty bottle of milk, so that the milk will be very preserved, because plastic nahi rahega, so there will be no much ammonia will be added into that. And I'll give them purane zamane ke hisab se, if the milk is stored in glass, it will maintain, or it will retain the nutrients in that. Plastic mein dalenge to the nutrients are somewhat lost, and we need to put some preservatives. That was the plan of it. So just a kind of a business profile. It will be so it was a structure which was built. A partnership company रहेगा established in this year. Then there was an analysis of market scenario. Okay, or basically this can be called as an industry analysis. So industry कितना है? What is the contribution to national economy in Indian economy, and expectation of growth कितना रहेगा? So I'm analyzing industry and like this, and then this I'll produce it in the front of judges. This is the actual analysis of milk industry in India. Okay, then idea kya hai? Then what is the service? We'll provide door-to-door service. We'll use doctor's prescription mode. Okay, how to improve the or maintain the quality of the milk, maintain the nutrients in the milk. ये कैसे करेंगे? तो ये special kind of services which was planned. Objective, mission, vision. You might have studied this in strategic management. What is the vision? What is the mission of your company? So, a company का कैसा? Rejuvenating the goodness of milk to bring health and inspiration. This was the mission of the company. Vision of the company. Mission was to develop, produce, and secure the highest value of our milk by creating maximum value proposition for the customer. This was the mission. So, vision is kind of a long term. Mission is how we are going to achieve this vision in step by step. Okay, and we used to call it abhi pata nahi bolte hain STP analysis, STPD analysis. So what is the segmentation? ठीक है, where we used to stay. Okay, targeting, ठीक है, ये सब this is very local related. So segmentation we'll do targeting, then we'll do positioning. What is our positioning? Purity at your doorstep, or rejuvenating life. This was a kind of a tagline or a punchline, you can say. And then differentiation, farm to home and unadulterated. Farm to home unadulterated organic milk. तो ये analysis किया था. Then SWOT analysis we did. Remember, strengths, weaknesses is internal to yourself, to your company. Opportunities and threats are external. So SWOT analysis was done. 5 Fours analysis, Porter's 5 Fours analysis was done. Marketing mix was done. तो इतना ही था. Business plan नहीं था actually. Just initial. Okay. So in business plan, marketing plan will become. Anyways, marketing plan will come out. फाइनेंसिंग प्लान, बहुत सारे प्लान आएंगे. तो जस्ट for you, start thinking about a product or a service which is new. Okay, and I'll give you some methods, how to upload or how to give me. You can discuss with your friends and you can decide. Okay, then later on you can do a kind of a market research which will be helpful for your market research methodology subject also. Okay, फिर जाके you can do a kind of a research of for your product which it will be accepted or not in the market. ये भी कर सकते हैं. बट वो आगे जाके, अभी फिलहाल के लिए यू जस्ट ट्राई एंड थिंक इन कम विद एन आइडिया ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट और अ सर्विस. ठीक है, एनी डाउट्स इन दिस?
So please can you share the PPT just for
ठीक है, बट ठीक है, आई विल शेयर इट, बट दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट वन एग्जैक्टली. बट ठीक है, मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ. I'm finding my PPT which was there about renting a painting, that gives the entire thing. If I get that ठीक है, मैं ये भी शेयर करता हूँ, वो भी शेयर करता हूँ.
Okay, sure.
ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है, then we'll stop. I'll share whatever PPT I get. Okay, log off. Thank you.